Material Design for Virtual Environments, Moment 3. My name is Nancy Andrea Paez Marquez. Guidelines for designing effective English teaching materials. There are some guidelines that teachers may follow with the materials. The first guideline said, English language teaching materials should be contextualized. Contextualized to the curriculum to be pertinent. Contextualized to the experience, realities, and first language of the learners. They have to be contextualized to their culture. Contextualized to topics and themes that provide meaningful purpose uses for the target language. That means personal engagement. The second guideline said, material should stimulate interaction and be generative in terms of language. That means provide situation that demands communicative purpose. That's the better of teaching English. The students have to communicate to learn the language. The third guideline said, English language teaching material should encourage learners to develop learning skills and strategies. That means when we have a teaching materials, maybe that teaching material in particular focus on one skill, maybe on speaking or maybe on listening, but we know that we have to have all the skills in one material, because in that way you can teach how to learn. You can show different strategies. Some materials have self-evaluation. Other materials have the opportunity to explore their own learning styles and strategies to the students, because all people have different styles to learn something. The fourth guideline said English language teaching materials should allow for a focus and form as well as functions. We can have independent and creative expression. That is an advantage. And the last guideline is English language teaching materials should offer opportunities for integrate language use. We have to give opportunities to integrate all the language skills in an authentic manner and to become competent and integrating extra linguistic factors. We have some pictures of different teaching materials. We have the first image that are flashcards. We have books, especially reading. That is the guideline 5, that we have to create a material that offers different kinds of skills, not only one skill. And in the last image, we have kids playing, and a play that is tic-tac-toe that could be used in the guideline that requires a communicative skills to learn English. Do we need to create our own teaching materials? All teachers should create their own teaching materials because this allows us to be creative, to be focused on what we need. With the previous guidelines, we can be pertinent of what we want or what we need. We can adapt the materials we create to the themes of subjects we need. That is the first guideline. And the students will appreciate our effort in building something for them. Nowadays, there are tons of resources that we can use to start one material. Thank you.